Brother, let me ask you something. When was the last time you even thought about your brake fluid? Most drivers worry about brake pads and rotors, but they forget the fluid that actually makes braking possible. The scary part is brake fluid does not fail loudly. It fails quietly. Science shows brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, and that lowers braking performance. Today, I will show you the most accurate way to know when it is time to change it. Stay with me, because this could save your life. And in the next part, I will explain why mileage alone can fool you. Here is the truth, buddy. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, which means it pulls water from the air. Popular automotive studies show moisture can enter the system even when everything looks sealed. That water lowers the boiling point of the fluid. The solution is understanding fluid condition, not just age. A simple visual check is not enough. The practical tip here is never rely only on color. In the next segment, I will tell you why clear brake fluid can still be dangerous. Brother, clear does not mean safe. Brake fluid can look clean, but still contain water. Tests published by major auto labs show even 2% moisture can reduce braking power under heat. The solution is moisture testing. This is where real accuracy starts. Practical tip: use a brake fluid tester or have it tested during service. Quick motivation here. Taking care of small things keeps you in control of big moments. Up next, I will explain how heat exposes bad brake fluid. Think about this, buddy. When you brake hard, temperatures rise fast. Old fluid boils sooner, creating air bubbles. Science explains air compresses, liquid does not. That is why the brake pedal feels soft. The solution is preventing heat failure before it happens. Practical tip: if your pedal feels spongy during long drives or hills, your fluid is already warning you. In the next part, I will show the most precise sign professionals trust. Here is the sign mechanics trust most: moisture percentage. Studies from brake manufacturers show 3% moisture means it is time to change fluid. The solution is measurement, not guessing. Practical tip: ask your shop for a moisture reading or buy a simple tester. Brother, smart drivers do not wait for failure. And next, I will explain why driving style changes fluid life. Buddy, city driving kills brake fluid faster. Frequent braking creates heat cycles that speed moisture absorption. Highway driving is easier on the system. The solution is adjusting service timing to how you drive. Practical tip: if you drive in traffic daily, shorten your brake fluid intervals. Motivation time: caring for your car means caring for yourself and your family. Next up, I will break down factory intervals and why they are only a guideline. Manufacturers often say 2 years or a certain mileage. That advice is based on average use. Science shows real conditions vary a lot. The solution is combining time with testing. Practical tip: never skip testing just because you have not hit the mileage. Coming next, I will explain warning signs you feel while driving. Brother, pay attention to your pedal. A soft pedal, longer stopping distance, or brakes fading after repeated use are red flags. Research confirms these are classic signs of moisture contamination. The solution is early action. Practical tip: do not wait for the pedal to hit the floor. Next, I will tell you why ignoring this can damage expensive parts. Old brake fluid does more than hurt braking. Moisture causes internal corrosion. Studies show rust can damage calipers, lines, and ABS units. The solution is prevention. Practical tip: changing fluid is cheaper than replacing brake components. Motivation moment: small maintenance today avoids big repair stress tomorrow. Up next, I will explain how ABS systems depend on clean fluid. Modern ABS systems use tiny valves that hate contamination. Scientific testing proves dirty fluid can clog these parts. The solution is keeping fluid fresh. Practical tip: ABS-equipped cars should never skip brake fluid service. In the next segment, I will explain DIY testing versus professional testing. You can test brake fluid at home or at a shop. Electronic testers measure moisture quickly. Labs confirm they are reliable when used correctly. The solution is choosing what fits you. Practical tip: if you DIY, test twice for accuracy. Coming next, I will explain why flushing matters, not just topping off. Topping off does not remove moisture. It only adds fresh fluid on top of bad fluid. Science shows moisture stays trapped inside the system. The solution is a full flush. Practical tip: always flush. Never just refill. Motivation time: doing the job right once beats fixing mistakes later. Next, I will cover how climate affects brake fluid life. Humidity is a silent killer, buddy. Coastal and rainy areas increase moisture absorption. Studies show fluid degrades faster in humid climates. The solution is shorter service intervals. Practical tip: if you live in a humid area, test your fluid yearly. Up next, I will explain cold weather myths. Some people think cold weather protects brake fluid. That is false. Research shows moisture still accumulates even in cold climates. The solution is year-round awareness. Practical tip: temperature does not stop water from entering the system. Next, I will explain how performance driving changes everything. Hard driving, towing, or mountain roads push brakes to their limit. Heat accelerates fluid breakdown. The solution is higher quality fluid and frequent changes. Practical tip: match fluid maintenance to how hard you drive. Motivation here: respecting your limits starts with respecting your equipment. Next, I will give a simple checklist you can remember. Here is a simple rule: time, feel, and test. If 2 years pass, pedal feels off, or moisture tests high, change the fluid. Science supports all three together. The solution is balance. Practical tip: do not wait for all signs to appear. Next, I will explain why ignoring brakes risks more than money. Brake failure risks lives. Studies show braking distance increases dramatically with contaminated fluid. The solution is responsibility. Practical tip: treat brake fluid like safety equipment, not optional service. Motivation moment: staying safe lets you keep chasing your goals. Coming next, final reminders before we wrap up. Brother, brake fluid does not warn loudly. It whispers. Science gives us the tools to listen. The solution is testing and routine care. Practical tip: add brake fluid checks to your yearly maintenance list. Next, I will give the final takeaway every driver should remember. The most accurate way to know when to change brake fluid is moisture testing combined with how your brakes feel and how long it has been. Research confirms this beats guessing every time. The solution is simple awareness. Practical tip: knowledge is the cheapest upgrade for any car. Now let us close this out properly. Buddy, take care of your brakes and they will take care of you. Do not ignore brake fluid. Test it, change it, and drive with confidence. Like, share, and comment your experience below. Disclaimer: consult a professional automotive technician if you have special vehicle conditions or safety concerns.